Welcome to Zoomer's RV. Today we have for sale a 2005 Forest River Wildcat model 30LSWB. This unit is a double slide. Someone just traded it in on a nice diesel pusher. It has nice smooth sides, solid fiberglass front cap, electric front leveling jacks. Has a large front basement storage. Again, 2 slide outs. Rooftop AC. 4 corner leveling jacks. Rear ladder. Big rear bay window. Has a spare tire. This door here on the slide opens there, and flat screen TVs inside with the speakers. And this opens here, and there's a trash can from the inside. Very nice. Right there, the trash can. Throw your trash in there and pull the can out from the outside. As soon as you walk in, the kitchen's here on the left. Super slides on the right. There's a Dometic stainless refrigerator and freezer in the slide. Very nice and clean. Dinette booth makes a bed. Dinette cushions are in great shape. Has a nice easy chair here. This extra countertop there connects right here. So you got a nice countertop that sticks out there. Has a real big couch in the back. Couch has a hide-a-bed inside of it. Beautiful overhead hardwood cabinets. Flat screen TV with a concert tone. DVD, CD, MP3 stereo system there with surround sound speakers. Has a nice skylight. In the kitchen it has a Magic Chef stainless microwave. 3 burner stove and oven. Has a double sink and lots of nice cabinets. Ceiling fan. Right before you go up front to the left is a big storage compartment. Has a pocket door that separates the bathroom from the front of the camper, and a curtain that separates the front bedroom from the bathroom. Has a corner glass shower. Very clean. Nice cabinet, sink, medicine cabinet, flat screen TV. Brand new on the side of the bathroom or the bedroom here. On the left side is a separate room with just a foot flush stool and lots of cabinets with a power auto fan. And the front bedroom has a queen size walk around bed. Couple cabinets, closets, overhead cabinets, reading lights. Has carpet here in the bedroom, vinyl through the bathroom and the kitchen, and carpet in the back. It's kind of a medium green color. It's nice and clean. Looks nice. There's another shot from the back to the front. Any other questions, please call. Thanks for looking.